What's up, my friend Garrett Berry here. If you want to learn how to travel and still make money just from a Wi-Fi connection, this video is for you. What I'm going to reveal is an incredibly easy business that anyone can do, doesn't matter your background, your experience level, from anywhere in the world. So if you're excited to learn that, be sure to stick around to the very end of the video and let's get into it. So I made it to the hotel, and now what I want to do real quick before I dive into this exact simple business and how anyone, doesn't matter your background or experience level, can actually do this, I want to share with you some results that people personally sent me on Facebook after applying this simple formula. Because maybe you're watching this and you're thinking, okay, he has the YouTube channel. This guy, maybe he's using that. That's how he's able to make money. It doesn't matter your following. It doesn't matter your social media presence. You can still make incredible money with this business. Now, this person right here messaged me, Garrett, your training literally changed my life. My first $300 day going for $2,000 this week. Okay, this was a person brand new. They followed what I'm about to share with you in just a second, and they were able to start making money. This person right here, Garrett, my sales have gone up to $500 or more a week now. Thank you. Okay. And the beautiful thing about this business is when we make a sale or when we refer someone, we actually get that money instantly into a PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, whatever method you personally prefer. Now, if you think, oh, I hate sales, I'm terrible at sales, don't worry, because as you see in just 1 second, when I break down how this works, you're not going to have to get on the phone. You're not going to have to bother anyone. You're not even going to have to be good at sales. All of it's going to be done for you, as you'll see. And the last person, I have many more, but to save time, bro, your training is fire. Already up 2 sales today. And again, this person was brand new. I believe they used to work a 9 to 5 and they were able to follow this simple method. Okay, so what is this simple method? Basically, this is the 3-step formula on how anyone can literally travel the world. And if you have a Wi-Fi connection, maybe you stay in an Airbnb, maybe you're in the airport, you can still be making money. Now, the simple 3-step formula is number one, we're going to post ads online. Okay. What do I mean by ad? Advertisements. And where do we post them? Social media. Okay. So I have this image right here. There's tons and tons of places online that you can actually make a post. Okay. Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Pinterest, Snapchat, Tumblr, YouTube. You can create a video. But essentially what you're doing is we're posting ads on those platforms. Now, what these ads are designed to do is get people interested in the product that we're promoting. Okay. Now, with this specific business, what product are we actually promoting? It's very simple. What we're promoting is video training, teaching people how to build a successful online business. So essentially, we post these ads, and when people respond, okay, we move on to step 2. Now, before we move on to step 2, what I want to share with you is that when you actually join this business, and there's going to be a link directly below this video, you can go ahead and go to my website to find out more information as well as to get started today. When you actually make that decision to join, you're going to be able to get ads that you can post. Okay, so if you're not creative or if you're not good at sales, again, you just copy and paste these ads online on your Facebook profile, for example. And if you have a few friends on your accounts, okay, or a few followers on Instagram, people are going to see that ad and they're going to get interested. Now, step 2 is when people respond to your ads, okay, when they either comment and say, hey, I'm interested in learning more, or they message you, okay, on Facebook or Instagram or Pinterest, you can get a direct message. What we're going to do then is we're going to send them your link. Okay, so they respond to that ad and now we send them our website. Now, if you don't have a website, maybe you're brand new to making money online, you don't know how to, come up with your own website, you're not very technical, again, not to worry, because with this specific business opportunity, you get a done for you website. Okay, you get a website that does all the telling, all the selling for you. The reason we're having people from around the world, ages 18 years old all the way up to 80, join, and many quit their jobs, okay, make money within their very first week in many cases, travel the world, right? The reason they're able to do that is because almost all of the work is done for them. The only work you have to actually do when you go to the link below and get started today is post ads. Okay, you just post, I'm sure you know how to make a post on Facebook or Instagram. You just make that post and you send people your link. And then step 3, okay, is when people buy, when people decide to join, you will make 100% instant payments up to $2,000. Okay. And I have this image right here. You can choose how you want to get that money. And again, we get paid instantly. With this business, there's no middleman. Okay. If you've tried to make money online before, maybe you've promoted products, maybe on ClickBank or JVZoo, you've heard these buzzwords in the industry. Well, basically, you have to wait a week, 2 weeks, up to a month to get the money. When you make a sale, when you join this business and refer people, you don't have to wait, a week, a month. You get that money instantly, okay? And you make 100% commission. Just imagine what it's going to feel like to literally just make a post, go about your day, you check your email inbox and you see, congratulations, I just made $1,000. Congratulations, I just made a $500 commission, right? How's that going to feel? What are you going to be able to do? What countries are you going to be able to visit, right? Maybe you want to visit an island, right? You imagine just visiting your ideal vacation spot, sinking your toes in the hot, warm sand, feeling that ocean breeze, smelling that sweet air, and you check your phone and you see another commission. Or maybe you want to go to a winter place, right? Maybe you want to travel to a cold, mountain scenic place in a cabin, right? And you can still be making money by the fireplace, right? So it's absolutely endless. And the beautiful thing is that once you get started, you have all the resources. You get added to our private Facebook group with over 7,000 people that are going to support you, that are going to answer your questions. If you don't know how to do a certain thing, it's very simple, but you just post your question in that group and you can still be making money. Okay, so I just wanted to share this video. Again, I've been doing this last 5 years, this specific formula, the last 2 years with this specific business that you're going to find out more information on. If you haven't yet, go on to the link below. Now, when you go to my website, put your best email into my website so I can share with you private information for your eyes only, and you'll be able to check that out. Now, I do want to urge you that at the time of recording this, the opportunity is still available. If you get to my website and it's down, I apologize beforehand. Okay, so you want to, whenever you're watching this, you want to check it out and make sure it's still available because there's limited spots and it's invitation only. But this is it, my friend. This is how I've been able to travel. I just got back from Brazil. Okay, I was traveling to Sao Paulo. I went to Rio de Janeiro for a week, and I was living in Florianopolis, Brazil. 42 beautiful, incredible beaches, and I was still making money like this on a daily basis. You saw the proof. You've seen it. It's not too good to be true. Oh, if it's too good to be true, everyone would be doing it. Well, a lot of people think that it's too good to be true, so no one actually does it, right? So the competition is incredibly low, and there's millions and millions of people on social media. So go down below, get started today, and I look forward to working with you. I look forward to seeing you inside of our Facebook group, connecting with all these members, and really getting you the results you want. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my website.